Good morning, everybody. So yesterday, you watched a video about mass, and it was explaining when something is heavier or lighter, right? So we're gonna be discussing a little bit more about that, about mass and scales, um, and what do scales do. So as you saw yesterday, if you take something like this pin, perhaps, oh sorry, this Koki, and maybe a shoe. This is Luke's shoe. So which one do you think would be heavier, the shoe or the pin? It's the shoe, right? So that means the shoe has more mass, it weighs more. You'll say it has more mass, or you'll say it weighs more. Okay, and the pin or the Koki has less, has less mass. Okay, so I'm sure you've seen, when you go to the shops, if you buy vegetables or something, you need to put it on a scale like this. You put it on there and it will tell you how much it weighs, and then it will give you the price, of the vegetables, right? So, and at the shops they use scales like this, to measure the mass. It tells you how heavy something is or how light something is. Okay, so scales measure that, how heavy something is or how light something is, and you've seen that at the shops. Then in your normal pencil cases, right, you have a ruler, and this measures how long something is or how short something is. Okay, and then, I'm sure when you've seen someone bake or you've baked yourself, there's a jug and they have all of these measurements on the side. It tells you, how full something is or how empty something is. Okay, so all of these things measure, measure something. So that's why I said, scales tell us they measure something. So this is, it can measure, your how heavy or light something is. This measures how long or short something is. This measures how full or how empty something is. Okay, or how much is there in that container. So when we're doing measurements, right, not, as you can see here, we have different, words for these scales. So when we're measuring something on the scale like this, which is a mass scale, okay, you can measure it, and when it gives you, let's say stays on the number 30, which this is here, okay, I don't just say 30, it weighs 30. I say it weighs 30 grams. So with a scale like this, if you see a G or a G, that is grams. It measures in grams. With a ruler, as you in your ruler, in your pencil cases, you see the C and the M, or the K and the M. It's measuring how long or short something is, and that is called centimeters. Okay, cm. And then for how much something is, you'll see that this is measured in milliliters. Okay. um, So for now, we're just gonna learn those words: grams, centimeters, and milliliters. We'll learn a little bit more when you understand this, and we'll talk about, how many centimeters is in a millimeter. Because have you seen that, on a ruler there's cm and then there's mm? Okay, so we'll talk about what's the difference and how to understand that. But for now, we're just going to be talking about scales and mass and how heavy something is. Okay, so on a scale, let's say we're measuring this and we put something on there and the arrow points to the 30. I would say that this is, 30 grams. And in short, you just say 30 g. Okay, so for a ruler, let's say we measure a sour worm, and it measures up till there. Okay, and if I see with the ruler it's 2, so that would be 2 centimeters. And in short, you can just say 2 cm, 2 centimeters. Okay, so let's say you pour some water inside this jug, and the water comes till there. It's on the line of 15 milliliters, so I would say 15 milliliters. Okay, and then this would just be 15 ml. And yeah, that's what scales do. They measure something. Okay, measures how the scale measures how heavy something is, this one how long, and this one how much something is. Okay, I'm going to be giving you a worksheet just for you to write the answers like 2 centimeters or 30 grams. Please, when you're writing your answers in, don't forget to put the k and the and the g, or the and the depending on what's on the scale. Otherwise, the answer's wrong. You have to put this in to show what are you measuring in. So this is measuring in grams, this is centimeters, this is milliliters. You have to show it. Okay? Okay guys, thank you.